If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. What is up, guys? Thank you for watching JG Tech Vlog. We're at the Razer booth at CES. Explain a little bit about the Razer Phone 2.
Thank you for coming by and checking out the Razer Phone 2. We're very excited that we are continuing to develop on our mobile business with the Razer Phone 2. We've improved everything about this phone. It's a 845 Snapdragon processor, 120 Hertz screen, 50% brighter, Chroma enabled, wireless charging, and IP67 waterproof.
Starting price for the phone?
Starting price is $699, sorry, $799, and currently it's $100 off. So I would say $699 because that's what you can get the price of the phone at. And it's available on AT&T stores and in Best Buy and also Microsoft stores as well.
And the ones in Best Buy, they're unlocked models, so you can use with any carrier?
That's correct. Any carrier, including Verizon, T-Mobile, AT&T.
And I'm thinking the base model that's at $799 starts with 64?
64.
And 6 gigabytes of RAM?
8 gigabytes of RAM.
8 gigabytes of RAM.
The camera is a really important update. We have now a telephoto lens and a wide-angle lens as well. So you're going to get 12 megapixel camera.
Rear camera?
Yeah, exactly. It's a Sony lens, so it's just a really great camera lens now. So we really improved the camera camera abilities on the phone, both streaming, the facial camera, as well as the.
Do you know how much megapixels is the front-facing camera?
8 megapixel front-facing camera.
And it's USB-C?
USB-C charging, that's correct, and wireless.
And the speakers are right here, right?
Yep.
Yeah, the speakers at the bottom. All right, awesome. And then these are the volume rocker buttons. You have the SIM card slot on the side.
And it is a fingerprint reader on the power button as well. This is a brighter phone. It's about 50% brighter than the previous Razer phone. We do also support 8 gigabytes of RAM. There's a SD card as well for an additional storage options. The phone supports 64 gigabytes of storage as a base model, and then you can update it to a 120 gigabyte SD card with an SD card slot. We did keep the same body, as you notice. It doesn't really change much, and sorry for the locking mechanism here. We didn't change the body much, but we did improve the styling in that we now have a glass back, and there's a reason for that glass back. We now have Qi wireless charging. And we do sell a wireless charger as well that's in the display case over there. It is a Chroma enabled wireless charger, and it fits other devices as well, right? So if you have a non-Razer phone, which we hope you don't, you can also charge your wireless charging device. It keeps the 120 Hertz screen. Very important for gamers to get that maximum refresh rate on their games. There's a number of games, like over 120 games now support 120 Hertz gaming. We now have integrated Chroma into this phone as well. So I'm going to turn the Chroma app on. I'm going to put it onto Spectrum. I'm going to turn it around, and you're going to see that Chroma logo, which is changing color, and you can set it to any custom color you want. And it will also be useful for notifications too, as the notifications will display in the color of the app on that logo. We have a game booster as well, we call Cortex, which allows you to really customize the phone and gives you every bit of control over, one, you're going to get gameplay, but you can also go into the game booster and control which game is going to get which CPU function, frame rate, which frame rate you want to run that game at, and you can save it in that profile inside Cortex that allow you to really optimize the usage of the battery of the phone, because you don't necessarily want to play Angry Birds with 120 Hertz. It's really not going to benefit you. But if you're playing your Arena of Valor or you're playing Vainglory, you want to get that maximum frame rate, you can do so. And it's all saved under that profile inside the phone.
Thank you so much for having us. This is the Razer 2, as you guys seen, and it's now at AT&T.
That's right.
And then if you want an unlocked model, you can find it at Best Buy.
Thank you very much.
So much. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.